Look at this McDonald's special edition Minecraft meal. It's not a Happy Meal. It's a special edition meal, so it is pricier. It's about 11 bucks. 10-piece chicken nuggets. Totally worth it. You get this massive gold type Minecraft box. Then you get your own little Minecraft M on your soda drink, medium size. You get a card with your toy that is a Minecraft Hamburgluar. Like, this is so cool. And it came in this box here, the treasure box. And then the fries are like Minecraft style, like when you're making food. Oh, this is just so nice. And then, of course, the nuggets are in its own little cute little box. And I would say this is worth it. Look how nice this card is, though. The toy's really big, too. Zombie Hamburglar. Little is known about this hungry mob who spawns late at night and wanders all biomes in search of hamburgers. Scan and unlock your exclusive in-game item in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Nice. Totally worth it.